Welcome to our channel. TP-Link AX3000 Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender. Why you need this extender right now? Your Wi-Fi probably dies in corners of your house. This AX3000 plugs in, boosts coverage, and finally lets your devices actually stay connected. It's not magic, but it works if you set it right. What comes in the box and why it matters? Inside, extender, power cable, tiny manual. That's it. Honestly, you don't need to read the manual fully. Just know it has what you need to get your Wi-Fi back alive. Where to plug it for maximum signal? Placement is everything. Midway between your router and dead zone is perfect. Too close is wasted, and if too far, connections will still drop. Works better than cramming it into some corner. Quick WPS setup, fast and simple. Press WPS on your router, press WPS on extender. Wait a few seconds and it will be done. No app, no accounts. Sometimes it fails, just reset and try again. Usually works first time. When WPS fails, open browser, type tplinkrepeater.net, log in, select your Wi-Fi, type password. Works on old devices, no app needed. Sometimes faster than WPS, works every time. Optional app control, handy, but not required. TP-Link app shows signal, devices, and lets you rename network. Useful for tweaking or checking speed. But honestly, manual works fine. How dual band boosts speeds and coverage. 2.4 GHz travels far, 5 GHz is faster. AX3000 handles both automatically. Tested in different parts of home: upstairs, basement, backyard. Speeds drop a bit at far edges, but coverage is way better than nothing. Keep firmware updated to avoid drops. Old firmware equals buggy drops. Go into settings, hit update. Mine stopped randomly disconnecting. If your Wi-Fi acts weird, update first before blaming the extender. Troubleshooting tips that actually work. If LED blinks amber or drops, unplug, restart router and extender. Move it closer a bit. Reset if nothing else works. Usually 5 minutes fixes everything. Don't overthink it. It's not complicated, just fussy sometimes. Is it worth it? Yes, it's cheap coverage fix, simple setup, works as advertised. Not perfect speeds, but no dead zones is a big win. Placement and updates matter most. Saves frustration and keeps devices online. Thank you for watching.